Welcome. If you're looking to improve your call quality on Discord Mobile and cut out all that unwanted background noise, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable standard noise suppression on Discord Mobile, updated for the latest version. Whether you're gaming, chatting with friends, or joining a study group, this quick guide will help your voice come through crystal clear. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main screen where you can see your servers and chats. Next, look for your profile icon. You'll usually find it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture to open up the User Settings menu. This is where you can customize all sorts of things about your Discord experience. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under this section, tap on Voice. This will take you to all the voice and audio options available for your account. Now here's the important part. Scroll down within the voice settings until you see the noise suppression options. Under Suppression, you'll see a few choices, but what you want is Standard. Tap on Standard to enable it. This setting uses Discord's built-in technology to filter out background noise like keyboard clicks, fan sounds, or people talking in the background, so your voice stays front and center. And that's it. You've successfully enabled standard noise suppression on Discord Mobile. From now on, your calls should sound much clearer, and you won't have to worry about distracting noises interrupting your conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Discord chat with crystal clear audio.